Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Obapa. Today I'm going to show you how to make this skin brightening bar soap. We are going to use 254 grams olive oil, 154 grams coconut oil, 39 gram castor oil, 92 gram hempseed oil, 231 grams mango butter, 150 grams distilled water, and 105 grams sodium hydroxide. I'm using 50 grams of plain yogurt, 30 grams of fresh orange juice, 50 grams of carrot puree, and 50 grams of lavender fragrant oil. You can use essential oil if you like. So I will add my orange, my carrot, and my yogurt into the oil first. So I heated the oil. I warmed the oil, let me say, to melt the butter. Yes, because the weather here is a little cold, so I have to. So then you stir everything to melt. Well, this soap really brightens the skin very well. It gives you a smooth skin. It also make you glow. So I'll dissolve my sodium hydroxide in the distilled water. Always add your sodium hydroxide to the water, not the water to the sodium hydroxide. Make sure you stir for it to dissolve. Yeah, everything have to dissolve, and the sodium hydroxide will be really hot. Always use cold distilled water. So now I will blend my oil with the carrot, the orange juice, and the yogurt first. Yeah, that the plain yogurt first. I want to blend it for everything to mix well in it. It's very simple. That's what you have to do. And you can also try and do it after you add your sodium hydroxide. You can add your yogurt and your orange and your carrot. It all depends on you. So I will add my makeup powder. It's not compulsory to add makeup powders, but just that it gives it a vibrant color. That's the reason why I love adding to it. And it doesn't give any benefit anyway. It just make it look beautiful. So I'm blending that one too for it to mix. It look nice. I like colors. Next, what I'm going to do is to add my sodium hydroxide solution into the oil. That's into this oil, and I will use my wicks to wick it. You can try and use your step blender to do that, but normally if I'm using more butter in the oil, it can trace very faster. That's why I do this sometimes, but you can use your step blender. And so after I have done it, I will blend it again so you can see it look very nice. You blend it again. Making soap is not difficult. It's so easy, but some people are afraid to make soap because of the sodium hydroxide. So I have added my lavender fragrant oil. Soap is not difficult at all. All you need to do is when you are dissolving your lye, you wear your gloves. Always wear your hand gloves and make sure you stir it gentle so that you don't splash the water on yourself, because we use cold water, but as you add the sodium hydroxide, the water really become very hot. That's why today my mode is paper. That's Vitamilk, a box, small box. Yeah, my other mode, I have soap in it. So even when you don't have soap mode, you can create your own soap mode by using milk carton or drink carton. Any paper carton, you just cut it nicely and you wash it, then you use it. It's very simple. So now we have our soap. I will let it sit for 24 hours before I unmold it. So what I'm going to do is to cover the soap and let it sit for 24 hours before I unmold. After 24 hours, I will touch it to see if it's hard. If it's hard, I will unmold it. If it's not hard, I will let it sit for 1 day more before I cut it. So now I have my soap. All you need to do is to remove it. Very simple. So you can't tell me you don't have soap mode, so you can't make soap. You can make soap as far as you have your paper, your milk carton or your fruit carton like Don Simon and the rest. You can use that paper to do that. So now I have my soap and I'm going to cut it into small pieces. I normally use this soap for myself, so that's not a big deal. That somebody will say the shape look different. That's not a problem. I use it for myself, and sometimes my kids too use it because it's all natural and it's really make your skin glow and smooth your skin. Even when you have a dark skin, it make you glow. My kids, their skin are dark skin, so they really have a nice dark skin tone. Let the soap sit for 4 weeks before you use it. It still contains sodium hydroxide, which can make your skin sensitive. You can use this soap for your face and body. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye bye.